Hi everyone, today we're going to look at the class kit for anyone doing sound recording. Inside, we've got headphones that you're going to use to monitor your sound. We've got your XLR cable that you're going to use to connect your microphone to the Tascam. We've got the microphone. Always make sure that you've got a new battery in the microphone. It needs battery. There's a little piece of ribbon here. You're going to keep that ribbon underneath so it's easy to take the batteries out when you're done with them. We're going to put our SD card in. It's going to click, and then we're going to turn on the Tascam with the on button. You can see this card, we haven't used this card before, and it's going to say, do you want to format this card? We're going to click yes. Now we're going to go into the menu, click the menu button, and we're going to hit record mode. You can see now, once we click on that, we can pick the different record modes. We want to go with dual stereo. We want to keep it on channel 1 and 2. And we're also going to keep the dual level at -6. That way we have a lower safety level. Now we're going to look at the input settings, and we're going to keep them at low for now. You can see you can change them to mid or high. And we've on channel 1 right now, but we're going to scroll down, and once you keep scrolling down, you can get to channel 2 if you're bringing 2 mics in. We're usually only using 1 mic. So once we've got that, we're going to click back to menu. Now we're going to go into the system menu, and in the system menu, you'll see that we've got plug-in power. That's off because we have a mic with a battery in it. Now we're going to go down and we're going to format our card into quick format. We'll click yes. Once we've done that, we're going to click menu twice to get back to our home screen. The monitor select button is the last button we're going to take a look at, and we want to make sure that we can hear what we're recording. So you can go to channel 1 main if you just got the channel 1, or you can mix the main for both. So now that we've got everything out, we're going to connect everything together. It's important that you remember that on this side of the Tascam, we've got all your inputs, and on this side, we're going to do the output. So on the left side, input, the right side, output. So we're going to input our microphone. We're going to start with our XLR cable, and we're going to go in, and it clicks in. Once you get that there, the same on this side with the microphone. You'll see there's 3 prongs, and you've got to get the prongs lined up, and then it will click into place. We can plug in the headphones and adjust the volume using the dial above. Remember that this does not affect the input, it just affects what you hear in the headphones. The important thing to remember the boom pole is that you're always going to start at the lower end and work your way up. It just takes 1 twist. So 1 twist, and then you can open it up and then twist it shut. The same if I want to go longer, it's 1 twist, open it up, and then shut. When I'm closing it down, again, I start high and go low, 1 twist, bring it down and tighten it. My microphone onto, and it just slides into here. And I'm going to point the boom mic, I'm going to have my arms at 90 degrees, holding it up high, and I'm going to go up above. I'm going to make sure that the tabs on the bottom are on mic and not on phantom power. If the levels are a little bit too low, we're going to go back into our settings, and we're going to go into menu, we're going to go to input settings, and we're going to change this from low to mid to start with. We can go high later if we need to. Go back. Now we can use the dial to change the levels on channel number 1, and we want the levels to be right up by the little triangle. Now we're ready to start recording, so we're going to push the record button once, and the light will start flashing. We're not recording sound yet. We have to hit it 1 more time. And now you'll see that we're recording sound as the number goes up, and that's why we say sound speed. The first thing I'm going to do when I put this XLR cable away is make sure I've got all the kinks out of it. And you can see I can roll it, sit around with your fingers until it gets to that nice circle. And you just keep doing that, and you can see I'm pinching and twisting with my finger and my thumb. It's going to go inside here. And then the same way that I did with the XLR cable, I'm just going to curl this cable up, the headphones there. Now I'm going to take out the card and make sure I put all the audio files onto my computer in the proper folder. I'll take this off. I'm just going to fold this underneath the back of it. Provides a little more cushioning for the Tascam, and that just gently goes into here. And now we're set to close this up, and it's ready for the next person to use.